I would recommend you guys getting braided USB cables than the normal ones, as they are so much durable and they do not break easy. These are data charging cables from Magtame. The best added feature is that they have a layer of rubber magnet embedded in the cables, so you can organize the cable much easier than fiddling around with the old one. They come in various lengths and models. The rubber magnet will allow you to create that circular shape. Being braided too gives you that extra satisfactory that these cables will last a very long time compared to the others. As I believe we all have witnessed that these cables do get teared apart, which makes it dangerous to use. Personally myself, in the past I've been using these kind of braided USB cables. Adding a magnet feature to keep the cables nice and tidy is a complete game changer. Stay connected guys, peace.